Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be introducing you to one of the amazing crypto mining coin. So all you just need to do is to make sure you subscribe to this very channel if this is your first time coming across to it. And if you are a returning viewers and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos. Today we'll be looking at BLUM and other tokens that you can keep mining by just what? Tapping your screens and performing activities. Few tasks and you claim a lot of coins. So all you just need to do, make sure you have a verified Telegram installed. I'll be dropping a link at the description section of this very video that will be able to guide you. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So currently it's undergoing farming. It's undergoing farming. The moment this is over, it will show you claim. Then you go ahead to claim. This is what I've mined so far because I'm just starting, which is why I'm sharing with you so that you can also start as well. In this beneath here, in this down here is where you can perform some activities. Let me show it to you. You see this down here, there's what we call home. We're already in the home. There's what we call task. There's what we call friends, and there's what we call wallet. Don't bother, I will explain. This is the home, which we are here already. This is the task. This is where you can perform a lot of tasks on this very BLUM platform, and you'll be rewarded with a lot of coins. In this friends, this is where you can copy your referral links and also share with friends so that a lot of people can join this mining. Okay. And this wallet is where you can connect your wallet address. And the most fascinating thing about this is that it's also using Tone wallet. A lot of us who have been on Amstar for long knows what exactly is Tone wallet. And you can just connect your wallet to keep mining. So let's start from the task. Click on the task. If you click on the task, it will bring you to somewhere of this very nature. You can see this docs airdrop. 1 to 5 tags is right over there. And what you can get here is plus 250 BLUM, which is here. Click on open to begin. And also there is here which says BLUM Slab, X Empire 1 to 3 tags, and you gain plus 9999 bump. Plus 999 BLUM, which is here. Click on open to continue. And also the BLUM social media, the BLUM social account. Roll down up here. You can see I have already performed some of those tasks, which is why it's showing me to claim. If you want to perform the task, you can just click on start, click on start, click on start, click on start. After you're done performing this task, then you can come back later a little, not long, to claim. So I'll claim this now. You can see I got 99 points. I'll claim this again. You can see I got 90 BLUM points. Then I will click on start to do a new task. So the moment you click on here, it will take you to where you can follow. Follow this. Click on the start in another one. After you're done with the first one, and click on start. Come to this place to click on this boost channel. Click on yes. You subscribe for this. Okay, you can see after touching there, after click on the start, you can see I can now claim. Go back here to claim as well. Then come to this place to keep continuing starting to perform other tasks. So clicking on this start now, it will not take you to the Instagram. On that, you can follow. If you follow, you can come back here to claim. Claiming this as well because I've joined the BLUM Instagram. Then I'm claiming this as well because I've followed the BLUM CEO on X. I get plus 90. You see, this is how you keep performing those activities. Let's see on the X, you go to the X as well and also follow as well. Come to this place and just follow. That's all. And your task will be completed. Then you go back there to claim again. Come back here. So we will now claim. You see, the tasks here are very easy and simple. I'll come to claim here as well because I've done the task. So the moment you click on the start, it will show you what you're supposed to do, and you come back to claim. Go to Facebook to follow. So I go to the VIP design to follow, also on X. Come to this place to join the BLUM channel. So these are the activities, these are the tasks you must perform. Always check in here every day for those activities so that you can keep gaining a lot. Click on accept invite. Then we can now go back there. You can see in just few seconds, let's just say in just few seconds, I have performed a lot of tasks. So I will now come over to claim. So you must always check this very place so that you can keep claiming a lot of coins for yourself. Drag down again to see task here is 33. All you just need to do, as we just did, keep claiming. But one thing first, you must start the task. You must start the task. Click on it, BTC volatile. You must start the task. Then you can come back to claim. You can see in few seconds, I have performed a lot of tasks. Then I can start claiming. You can see you can start claiming. And before you know, I will make a lot of coins for myself. Keep performing those tasks. So I think we all understand or understood how to perform tasks on this very place. So the next thing we're going to do is the next thing which says friends. I've claimed a lot for myself. So I'll go to friends to click on friends. So in this very place, all you just need to do is to what? Is to invite friends and earn a lot of points for yourself. Alright? This is very easy. Just click on invite friends, copy your links, and keep sharing. And you will keep earning a lot. So the next thing says wallet. This is the wallet. This is where you connect your wallet, and which is Tone Wallet. You can see I've connected my wallet and it's a Tone wallet. Okay, you can either choose one from here, connect the Tone wallet or the BLUM or the wallet. which is the Telegram wallet, I think. Okay, that is all. Now you can see my coins have been increased. That's my BLUM points here have been increased, which is this currently. Initially it was 1 when I first started. Now it's 3. Now I'm waiting for this. The moment this is done, you just come here to click on claim and it will be claimed, right? So without waste of time, I will be dropping my referral links at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment section. I'll attend to you ASAP. And I'll be dropping my community link. You can join so that we can keep interacting, okay? So thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.